Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Please do subscribe to our channel and show your support. These are the books which I bought from the Class Monitor website. These are complete set of books for the LKG kids. In their website, we have pre-nursery class books, nursery books, LKG books and UKG books. I have bought for my kid LKG books. These are age group is 3.5 to 4.5 years. In this video, I will show unboxing LKG kit as well as I will open and show each and every activity. What are the different activity worksheets they have given? What are the topics are covered in these worksheets? I will be demonstrating all. Please do watch the complete video. Here now I am unboxing the different worksheets and activity sheets they have given. These are few number chart and different types of activity they have given. These are literacy skills and about fruits and vegetables, colors, transportation, about plants, about insects, about water animals, about air and about transportation. All different types of worksheets are given. Community helpers and my body parts, and some of the worksheets are also given to practice for the hands-on. These are the different books which I am showing. I will open and show each and every worksheet. So these are the different things which I have got from the Class Monitor LKG kit about the seasons as well. So these are the complete whole syllabus. Along with this, one more play activity kit along with that ice cream spoons and some Fevicol gum and some activity kit is also there. Now I am showing you the some parts of plant. So this will be helpful for the parents to teach the kids. For every activity worksheet on the bottom we can see one barcode is given. We have app from the Class Monitor application. We can download the Class Monitor application and we can scan the barcode which is given. Every worksheet there is a one scan code is there. If we scan and we will get this complete worksheet over there. This will be helpful for the parents how to teach the kids. They will give detailed instructions on that how to teach, what is the activity kid need to do and what are the different more information we can collect and give it to the kid. These Class Monitor books are mainly helpful for the parents to teach their kids. This will cover most of the LKG syllabus. So these are the different worksheets which I have got, which I am opening and showing. There are different categories are there. Now here on the screen we can see transportation. About the transportation, about the different colors and pictures and some activity also will be there with this. We can cut and we can paste in the respective area. This is about whole about the water. About the water, what and all we can teach the kids. It will cover different activities which will make the kid interesting to engage with these activities. About the human body, this is the worksheet. So for the parents who want to buy, I'm just showing you an example by opening the few of the worksheets here. You can go through these. And these are the few number cards, 1 to 10 are given. For each number card, along with the number, dots are there so that we can teach the kids the counting as well. And alphabet cards are also given. For each alphabet card, there is a picture is also is given. In some of the coloring activities. For each of these activities, we can open the Class Monitor application. We can scan and see how to teach also. The instructions will be given. And daily, what are the activities we can cover, those instructions also will be there in the Class Monitor application. Once you take the LKG or the nursery, whatever the kit which you are taking, so by default you will get a free access to the Class Monitor application, so that we can use the application and it will be helpful for the parents to teach the kids. These are few activities on the numbers. Numbers identification will be covered here 1 to 50 And some other numeracy skills activities are also there, so that kids can engage with these activities. And some worksheets on the fruits, and some play activities with the fruits as well. These are for to teach the capital and small alphabets. There are few worksheets are given which will cover most of the capital and small letters. There are few more worksheets under alphabets English, where identification of the alphabet and writing are also there. Few worksheets are given for A to Z, capital and small alphabets. Those will be covered in this worksheet activities. Some play activities. These are some more activities where we can cut and paste. These are the small and capital alphabets worksheet practice, identification and then practice, both are there. And some coloring activities are also there, where we need to identify the color and the shapes. Some activities like cut and paste, those are also will be covered in this. And some rhymes and the body parts chart is also given. Few charts are also given. This is another chart which is given about the transportation. This is for the phonetic sounds and identification of the. This is one cut and paste activity worksheet. This is one more chart which is given on the shapes. This is one more activity on the community helpers and the numbers chart from 1 to 50. Some alphabet math, phonetics, and based upon that we need to paste the alphabet on the corresponding picture. And some cards they have given on the mosquito, flowers, as well as insects and the community helpers and all. These and all we can scan in the application and see how we can teach the kids. And some cards on the months, and these are some cards on the phonetics and all. Phonetic sounds of alphabets, small and capital alphabets are given. This will cover most of the phonetic sounds lessons. These are for color activities, where kid need to identify what is the color and they need to cut and paste the same image. One more sheet is also given. They need to cut and paste over the corresponding image. Few activities on the colors. Some few two cards are given on the rhymes part. And few parts of the flower and the parts of a bug. How to teach also we can see from the application. Most of the syllabus is covered, like about the community helpers, plants, animals, air, water, sense of organs, about the colors and shape. Some activity with ice cream sticks and feathers and glue are given. Some fun activities will be there around this. This is all about this LKG kit.